I'm Jim. Today I'm at Ritchey Woods Nature Preserve, Fishers, Indiana, for another walk in the park. Alright, today we're going to start this little hike at Beach Hollow Trail Loop. It is beautiful. We'll make this loop first. I think we may connect to another trail. But this is a beautiful, beautiful trail. Beautiful, beautiful area. I want to thank you for coming along with me today. And this is one trail that a couple weeks ago I actually did see a deer in the afternoon. There are a lot of people here today. So chances of that happening right now is going to be pretty slim. But this is a beautiful nature preserve that's between my house and work. So I have walked here a few times. And I just had to bring you along this time. I will say that the sound of birds are a lot better in the morning than they are in the afternoon. Right now I'm trying to compete with a chainsaw that's somewhere way off in the distance. Also, there's a children's group here. Anyway, I did post some pictures of this trail. And right here is where some of that happened. Right here on this bridge. Right there's the creek. I think I took that and posted that. Also that. Just listen. Alright, this area is called the swamp. And even though we've had quite a bit of rain this week, I see no water actually. But with a boardwalk, I assume that that's pretty muddy. Well, y'all watch your step here. There's a ton of roots here. If you trip, I'll see you next fall though. I guess the biggest problem with this nature preserve is it is surrounded by town and the noises of town, and it is beside an airport. But other than that, it is a very beautiful, beautiful nature preserve. Well, here's quite the going to be the descent. Quite the downhill right there. Ooh. This is where I got to watch my step. All right. Alright, I will say this is just beautiful. Beautiful. And we are, looks like, coming upon a cemetery. All right. Well, that's a small cemetery. It's about, I don't know, about 10 feet wide and I don't know, 15 feet, 20 feet long. One, two, three, four, maybe 4, 5 people could be buried here. I will promise you one thing. These people are going to come out one day, but there's nobody else going back in. I remember back in high school, I had a poster of green forest similar to this. And the caption was, "I took the road less traveled, but each must find his own." I've long lost the poster, but I haven't forgotten the words. I could walk this every day. Just forget the camera and walk. This is just so beautiful. There's no need to get in a hurry. Just enjoy. It is a bit hot today, but it's not too bad under the canopy of this forest that wasn't here a few months ago.